How to buy Flare AI token. Now this token came under the symbol of Flare. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before we go on and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see here, this token is available on the screener and created 6 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 3 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click it, check up the token address and open your funds wallet for that. As you can see, after that click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and after that click on I understand. After that, as you can see, you can type here how much you want to buy. Now this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap and you will be able to order the actual Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the Flare token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.